It's funny, you know. I get multiple calls every morning. So it's amazing that I actually get to make any videos, really. There we go, tralala. I wonder what the wind noise is doing today. We'll have to see, won't we? You want to wave? There you go. Oh dear. I love this camera. It's just so easy, you know. It really is easy. It records everything, and then I use the AI to edit the video. That's automated as well. Doesn't always get it absolutely perfect though. Then of course you get the raw footage as well, where you can pan around yourself and look at what you want to look at. I actually prefer the little 2 and 3 minute videos, you know, that the AI creates. Editing video is such a pain, it really is. Can't be bothered. Right, where should we go for coffee? Oh, I know. We're going to go down there, opposite the Feluna. Very good restaurant on top of the Feluna, apparently. One of Marvin Gauchi's restaurants.